Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. We've got some warmer conditions expected today as we'll see a pretty strong southwesterly flow over the region today, likely seeing a wind advisory as well as those strong southwesterly winds really start to kick up as we get into the late morning and afternoon hours. What we see is that area of high pressure that was building in from the west yesterday has shifted offshore. We're seeing a return flow of that warm mild air that will be impacting the region today. Also, as you look off to the west, a developing frontal boundary that will be pushing toward the eastern United States as we go into the evening hours tonight, and we'll see as a result some rainy conditions begin after midnight tonight. Looking at the radar and satellite composite this morning, you can see a few very light rain shower returns well off to our north up across the northern Delmarva Peninsula and into Pennsylvania, seeing a few light showers this morning, but for us, not expecting any precipitation as we go through the day today. Looking currently out there, you see a mid-level deck at the 11,000 foot level, a broken deck at 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Those winds out of a south-southwesterly direction at around 11 knots. Again, they'll get stronger as we go through the next few hours, especially into the afternoon today, where we are expecting a wind advisory for winds over 25 knots. Temperature currently at 49 degrees and our relative humidity is at 83%. Taking a look at the next 24 hours, mostly cloudy skies expected to continue through the day today with increasing cloudiness as we go into the evening hours. Again, we are expecting those winds to begin to ramp up by the late morning hours, possibly getting that wind advisory issued before the noontime hour as a result. Continuing to see those southwesterly breezes throughout the afternoon. Into the evening, they'll die out a bit out of the southwest at 12 to 17 knots after 8 p.m. And then we'll see southwesterly winds becoming northwesterly in direction as we go into the midnight to early morning hour time frame, where we will see some colder air begin to impact the region by tomorrow morning. You can see those rain showers beginning after midnight, probably around 1 o'clock in the morning. We'll start to see some of those rain showers begin to fall here at Wallops, and we'll continue to see the rain showers possibly heavy at times during the overnight hours as we go into the morning of Saturday. Looking ahead to Saturday during the day, that's when things will start to cool off a bit as we get the northerly winds to continue. Rain showers likely during the morning, and then we'll possibly see a little bit of a break in the action during the midday period tomorrow, around the late morning, early afternoon hours. Might just see a little bit of drizzle, maybe not any precipitation at all during that time frame. Then we'll see another area of low pressure begin to develop off to our south and west and move off the coast, and that'll bring us another round of precipitation as we go into the evening time period. And that's when things will start to get a little interesting around here as well, as we'll see that cold air begin to really settle into the region. Looking at temperatures falling into the mid 30s, possibly the low 30s during the late evening hours, and we could see that rain changing to a period of sleet and snow during the evening. Looking a little colder and a little bit like heavier precipitation hanging in a little longer during the evening hours of Saturday. So could see snow accumulation up to a half an inch, mainly on the grassy surfaces during the Saturday night time frame. But as we get into Sunday, we'll see abundant sunshine, and any snowfall that does stick Saturday night should be quick to melt away, as that high sun angle of April really works quickly on any kind of snow that we see on grassy surfaces from Saturday night. So that will be something to look out for if you are out and about during the evening hours of Saturday. Certainly keep an eye on that, and we'll be back at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast for the next 7 days. Have a good morning.